I'm getting started here today by placing 1.5 pounds of chicken breast right into my crock pot. Then you'll grab your favorite chicken broth and pour about 1/2 cup of broth right on top of those juicy chicken breasts. Perfect. We're gonna pair it up with a packet of ranch seasoning. This is gonna blow your socks off, you guys. You're just gonna dump an entire packet of ranch seasoning right on top of that chicken breast. Oh, it's doused in that ranch. Let's seal it up with the lid, put it on high, and cook it for 4 hours. Stick around, the best is yet to come. You're gonna love it. So we're at the 4-hour mark with our chicken, and wow, look at that. It looks so good. I can see all of that ranch all over it. Now I'm gonna really deluxify it. I have some sharp cheddar cheese. Now I probably have about 1.5 to 2 cups of this. I'm gonna dump that all in there. I also have some mozzarella. I'm gonna choose not to put as much in, maybe just about 1 cup of mozzarella. That looks good. Now I also have some crispy bacon. Why? Because everything's better with bacon, right? So you can tell that it's already pre-cooked and crispy. That's exactly what you want to do. And then I'm just gonna cut it up here with my kitchen shears just to make it into smaller pieces so it just kind of goes all over in with this bacon, this ranch, the chicken, and now we have the cheese. Woo! I knew you were gonna love this. Lastly, I have a little bit of cream cheese. I didn't really go for the whatever 1/3 less fat. I didn't mean to do that, but that's what I got. So that's fine. It'll all work exactly the same. And you can see that I'm just making it a point to just kind of cut these into smaller cubes. It just makes it easier for that cream cheese to break down and then melt together with the rest of that cheese, that chicken. And then don't forget we have that broth in there, and then the chicken was cooking in it. So we got some juice from that chicken, all the good stuff, you guys, along with that ranch. It looks like I'm just about done with this block of cheese. All right, perfect, there we go. Now I'm gonna pop this lid back on and we're gonna let it sit for another 30 minutes. Then we're gonna mix it all up. We're gonna top it with some good stuff and we're gonna give it a try. So stick around because we can't wait to show you. It is time and we have been patiently waiting for this tasty chicken. Woo, look at all that cheese and that melted cream cheese. We're gonna start to mix it all together. And you know what? As I'm mixing it together, that chicken is just nice and soft. It's just gonna start to shred and break apart, and that's exactly what we want. Now, of course, if you wanna use your forks or I don't know, some other type of gadget to shred your chicken, you totally can. But this spoon works just fine because like I said, that chicken is nice and soft. So we're just gonna come in here and start to shred all of that chicken up so this nice cream cheese and all of that cheddar cheese can just soak in with that chicken. Ooh, along with that bacon. Don't forget about that ranch. Oh, this is so deluxe. And I'm gonna add a little bit of fresh green onion. I think that the green onion goes really good with that bacon and along with just that cream cheese and a little bit of freshness right here on top. If you know me, you know oftentimes I like to add just a little fresh herb at the end to just deluxify things a little bit, right? And to make it look all nice and pretty because look at how beautiful that green looks right against all of that creamy goodness for that chicken. Now, you know, guys, are you gonna have this chicken over rice or noodles or just keep it plain Jane and simple? I don't know. You tell me in the comments what your thoughts are. I am gonna just grab this, a nice big spoonful. Now look at that. Look at that in there, all of that creamy chicken. Wow. Along with those onions. I want this big chunk of chicken right here and all of that bacon. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about right there. Now, you know what? I am going to give David a little taste of this because I know that he's starving, and thank you so much for always helping me, babe. So why don't you come over here and scarf this down?
You're most welcome.
So David's gonna give us a try here of this amazing chicken dish. Don't forget, we just had the chicken along with the broth. We added that ranch packet. We let that cook for 4 hours. Then we had the cheddar cheese, the mozzarella, the cream cheese, the bacon. What do you think? And of course, topped it off with that green onion, shredded the chicken. All right, he likes it. It's a winner. The man says it's good. If the men like it, I mean, it must be good, right? Wait, is that how it works? All right, you guys, I hope you love this easy dinner. Let me know if there's anything that you're gonna switch up. We'll see you later. Enjoy.